video, we are going to be learning how to build your portfolio website, and we are going to be using Canva. So, a lot of people don't know that you can use Canva to build your website. Yes, and it's free, it's totally free. Now, why do we need a portfolio website? Now, aside the fact that your social media platform can be your portfolio, but then having like a professional looking website is very important portfolio, because it's just like a central of where you showcase your work, your skills, and then it saves like brands that want to hire you or brands you want to work with time. Because imagine you sending them your social media platform that they should go and check through your work, but on your portfolio you put your best work, maybe like three to five. You section them so that anybody you send that to, they know what they are going. It's not like they will go to your social media and they start, checking everywhere to see what you can do. Because of course, social media, you can post a lot of things. You can even post your personal life there. So let's go. So you have Canva accounts. You're going to go to your browser and type canva.com. So it's very easy to set up. It's just like the normal way you sign up. So you sign up or you log in with your Gmail. So you can log in with your Gmail. So once you get there, you're going to see the interface like this. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to search for portfolio websites. Portfolio websites. Portfolio websites. So after, you must have registered. If you don't have an account already, you register. Now, one very good thing about Canva is the fact that you have a lot of templates. But in this video, I'm not going to be teaching you how to just use templates. You have to be unique. Now, a lot of people, they just pick one random template and they just change the text on it, which is not nice, because thousands of people, they have access to it. Now, how do you stand out with your portfolio is you being creative with it, and this is what I'm going to teach you in this video. So there are like a lot of templates. Now we have premium and then free. I'm on the premium version of Canva, but then there's still a lot of free templates you can use. So you can see these ones they wrote pro on, those ones that you cannot use them. So I'm going to go and look for, I'll look for a free one so that we can work on it together. You can see this one is free, this one is free, this one is free. You will get a lot that are free that you can use. So let's just pick one, and we are just going to design it from the scratch. So let's pick this one. Now, so once you tap on it like that, it's going to take you to where you can do a lot of editing. Now, can you see this like this? Can you see this? So yeah, you can write your name, you can change. We are going to be writing, I'm going to be building one from the scratch. Can you see this now? You have the template already. All you have to do is just put your own color. See, another important thing is some people, they don't have brand color. Like, why would you not have a brand color? Why? You're not going to be following this template word for word. That's why I said that building portfolio should be personal, like it should be unique to you and you alone. So now what we are going to be doing is there are some things you need to have in your portfolio. I'm also going to send like a template for you to follow when you are doing your own, irrespective of the niche that you are. So the first thing you need to know is the first page. The first page, you need a cover page that will contain your name and your picture, a very nice picture. So we are going to be doing that now. So this is the first page of this template. So if you click on it like this, can you see it's already highlighted? Now you say you can change this. Now let me show you how to add your picture. So I'm just going to change this to my name. So once you tap on it like this, if you tap on it, can you see, tap on it, then you see edit. Can you see edit down here? Click on edit, then it's going to bring your this thing. So I'm going to put my name, Melanin Techie. Melanin Techie. Please put your name. Oh, don't go and when you are doing your, don't go and put Melanin Techie there. So you can also change the font. I want to use like a very bold font. So if you want to move it, you can also move it around. So if you want to change the font, you tap on it. Can you see fonts down here? Fonts, tap on it. You can see like different bold fonts here. Some are suggested in this place. Then you can click on this arrow to take you to where like a lot of fonts are. Can you see this? So for the sake of this class, I'm not just going to dwell on changing font. So I'm just going to pick one. I think I want to also delete this. I'm going to delete this. I don't want it. This animation. also going to delete some other things too because I don't want them. If you pick any templates, just take out the things that you don't want. So this is my name. Now, you write like your title, like maybe you are a UGC creator. So for this one now let's say you don't even, let me show you how to add text from the scratch. Now, because these texts are already on the template, so if you don't know how to use Canva, I still want to like show you some basics on how you can go about it. So I'm just going to delete this. So to add text, come down here to this toolbar, you see text, add text. Now you can either add like a text box. If you want to write like a paragraph, you can pick this text box. So you can pick headings if you want to write like an heading. But what I want to put right now is like a subheading. So I'm going to pick this. Can you see this text box has appeared? So I'm going to say video editor, or anything you are. You can put slash content creator. So if you are a wig influencer, content creator. So I want to increase the size. If you want to increase the size of the text, can you see down here, font size? Tap on it so you can increase it a bit. Can you see that? I'll come back so you can move it. So I want to move it like this, video editor. Now, I told you that in the first page, the cover page, you have your name and your picture. So this is how to add picture. You can even increase the size of this box. You just draw it down like this. Can you see this box? This highlighted, is it blue now? This blue or purple? Is it purple? You can see this white bar. So you can drag it like this. It will extend. Can you see? So to add my picture, this is what you are going to do. Come down here. Can you see this elements? Elements. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you tap on frames. Can you see these frames? Tap on frames. Then you now look for, can you see this? If you want to use like a circle for your picture, you can pick this or this. So let me just use this. Let me use this circle. Can you see now? So you can put your picture right here. You can put your picture like this. It depends on how you want to design it. So you can be creative with it. You can be creative. I want to cancel out. There's a text here. I want to delete it out. There's one tiny text here too. Let me zoom it out. Can you see I am me? I'm going to delete it. I don't need them. So this frame now this name too. Let me just cut out this content creator. Let me cut it out. Okay. I want to put it very well. See, you have to be very intentional when you are doing this. So because imagine you are working with international brand. Now, if you want to align this again, there's a way you align the text. This text is already highlighted. You can come here and tap on formats. Can you see formats highlighted so that it will come to the side? Then you move it. This one too, I can adjust it. I want to align it. Come back here, tap on video editor, come to formats, you highlight. Can you see? So it's already highlighted to the side, which is looking very nice. So you can put your picture here. I want to reduce the size of this box. It's too big. Now you might be wondering that, oh, we've added frames. So how do we now add our picture? So this is how you add your picture. So you tap on that frame that you added, then you see replace. Can you see replace? Because it's blank, they just added like a sample to it. So you tap on replace. Now in this side, you can see that I have some pictures here already. Can you see? I have some pictures here because I already uploaded them on this my file. So to add another picture to it, this is what you are going to be doing. Upload file. You tap on it like this, then you see device. Tap on it, it's going to take you to your device. So you'll be able to pick. Can you see? Either you snap picture, you pick it from your media. So it will take you to your gallery or your file on your phone. But I'm not doing that right now because I have a picture I can use. So let me just use this. So once you tap on it like this, can you see it's already showing on it? That's the picture I picked. Now you can adjust the picture. Tap on it like this. If you double tap, you can adjust it very well. So that's the picture. So this is your front page. This one is okay. You don't need to do too much. Now if you want to change the color, you want to change the color of it, you can see that the way that box is highlighted, the color is showing here. So once you tap on the color like this, you can change it to any color of your choice. That's why I said brand color is very important. Can you see? You can change the color to your brand color. So I will just leave it at that, but make sure you change the color to your own color. So now the next thing after doing this is about me. So you can see these templates now. This particular one, I don't need it. So I can delete out this whole section. So I'm just going to delete it. So to delete it, you hold on to it like this. You know that the previous one that I did, I tapped on one of the elements inside it. But if you want to delete the whole section, you tap on it. This option will come out. Can you see delete section? So I'll just delete it because I don't need it. So now you can see this about section for it. So you can still change your own picture too. See this person's picture, you can change it to your own. Can you see replace? Just like the way we did the other one. Just tap on replace and then you add, let me add this to it. Okay. I think this is nice. So this one, I'm just going to cancel out some of the text there. So I'll just cancel out some of the text and write about me. About me. Now let me show you how to change text color. Now let's say you want to use another color for your text. Can you see this A, this letter A? Once you tap on it, it's going to show you colors. So you can change the color of your text. See, you can change it. Oh, I don't know why. Oh, you need to highlight it first. So you hold on to it, you highlight it, then you change the color. So the color will change. Can you see the color has changed? Now you can also delete this circle if you don't want it, but I'll just leave it at that. So these parts, you just write everything you do. You don't need to from these templates now. You can see recent uni graduates. You don't need all those as a creator. You can just go to ChatGPT and tell like just type everything you do to ChatGPT and then tell ChatGPT that you need like about me section for what you do. So that's what you are going to put here. Okay, so the next one we are going to is this next one, next page. The next one is what you do, to add like a clean section to your to what you are working on. Like now, I don't need this. Instead of me deleting so that I can have like a plain box, you can tap on any section that you are. Once you tap on it, see, once you tap on it, you come to this three dotted line here. Then you see add section here. So once you add the section, it's going to give you like a clean slate. Can you see? So I don't need this one. I'm just going to delete the section, delete section, so that the next um delete section, so that I have a plain slate. I have a plain box right here. So now skills, I'm going to be adding text. I already taught us how to add text, so I'm going to add text. Sorry, tap on this text. So it's an heading. So I'm going to pick this and I'll write skills. So just like I said, it might not be skills in your own niche. So this skill now, if I want to increase the size, I can either come to this font size and increase it. Can you see? Or I can use this, can you see these dots? I can use it and to drag it up. Use it. Then you can see this arrow. You can use it to move it around. Skills. Now, I want to add another text. Once you are done with that, you cancel it out, add text. So I'm going to take like a text box. I'm going to tap on text box and add like some skills. So video editing, visual branding, visual branding, storytelling, storytelling. Let me just leave it at these three. So I'm going to align it. I already taught us how to do alignment the other time too. So if you tap on this, it's going to align to the side. So okay, I'm going to increase the size and put it here. It's still not aligned. If you want to add bullet points to it, now sit down here, this same format too. Can you see you can add bullets? Can you see? It's already aligned. You can change the font. So that's that. So you just put your skills here. Please don't put just three. You put everything you can put. Put everything and everything you are bringing to the table for the brand. Put it there. So after this section, the next one you are going to is are going to, if you use tools, if you are a creator that you use tools, like me now as a video editor, I use some softwares. I'm going to add another section. You know how to do that already. So now if you work with tools, this is where you are going to put it. But if you don't worry, you don't need to put this section there. So if you work with any software, let's say Google Drive, or I don't know, whatever niche that you are, you're just going to add it here. So it's just like this too. Just copy and paste, then you change it to tools, then you do that. Next stage is very important because this is the whole point of having a portfolio website. This is where you are going to be showing your best work, because anybody you send this to, they are going to look out for this. This is where you are going to show them that this is what I can do for you, this is what I can do for your brand, this is what I've worked on, this is the product I've reviewed before, this is how I can edit. So to do that, you are going to, just like the way we added picture the other time, we are also going to use frames. So you go to your elements, then you tap on frames. Now you can decide to use any shape or frame for your video, for the videos you want to use. So you can pick this square, you can pick this square with rounded edges. You can pick, this phone case too. You can pick this. So you can just pick any one. Let me use this phone for it. So you just tap on it. Then, oh sorry, I'm actually on. I'm going to move it to the next box. Yeah, this is where. Now, one thing is, if you have like maybe two or three things you are doing, let's say, let me use makeup artist for example, or if you are in the beauty space and then you review products, you can put like an heading in this box now that maybe like UGC product or product reviews, then you can add like two or three videos. Now let's do something. I'm just trying to increase the size so that it will be big. I want to increase the size of this box too. Okay. Mhm. Now tap on replace, then you add videos. So if you don't have any video, because I have videos here already, if you move to this side, see videos. I have videos here already. But if you don't have, you just click on upload files. It will take you to your phone files so you can pick your video. So I'm just going to pick one of my videos here. Can you see the video is already on it? Yeah, I'll do the same thing too, or I can duplicate it. See, if you want to duplicate it, instead of just going all the way to go and pick frames, I'll just tap on this. It's already duplicated. I'll move it to the side. Then I can now replace the video inside it. Can you see? So this is how you are going to do it. So after you've done that session, you can do another session. So I'm just going to, I want to, let me add another section. Okay, so you can put maybe some of your works, you put another section here, add frames. So this is what you are going to do. So it makes your work very clean and section, so that when you send it to them, you know that, oh, this is what we are looking for. It's already labeled, you already outlined everything neat and perfect with your brand color, not like just your social. Of course, there are some brands that they will come to you through your social media, maybe one of your videos, they'll say, oh, what we want to work with you, is nice, but you can even still send them your portfolio so that you know that, oh, you are very organized and professional. Yeah. So after that, after you've done that, then you can add, depending on what the outline that ChatGPT gives you. Or I am just saying all this as a video editor. This is how I did my own. So after you've added videos of your work, you can now write okay, I have a section in my own portfolio where I said why you should work with me. Now, this one is just trying to convince them, just give them what you can bring to the table. I can bring visibility. Now, if you're an influencer, another thing you can add to it is you can add your engagement rate. Yeah, you can just make screenshots of your engagement rate and just add it. So it's the same way we did that upload. So if you want to upload anything, you can come to this place and say, if you move here, instead of going through elements, you see upload, it will take you to that side too. So you can upload like screenshots on it and just add it to it. So all these ones you can, I'm just going to delete them because I don't need. So to delete, you hold on to it and then delete section. Yeah, delete section. So, and then you can also link your social media platform on this website. So let me show you how to do it. Now, let's say you want to link your social media platform. Let's say, let me add text. I'm going to add text and say, do you want to see more of my work? Want to see, or maybe like you have like a Google Drive that you have like other videos. Now the thing is that I don't think this website you can upload like large files. Let's say you have like large files and you still like to show them, or maybe other files, so that this whole website will not be too congested. You can link another folder to your website. Wants to see more of my work, more of my work. I'm actually not doing so much in this because I don't want it to be too long. I'm just showing you how you can. So when you are doing your own, please take your time. Take your time to design it. Want to see more of my work? Okay. I'll now say click here. Want to see more of my work? I want to see how you can. I want to show you how you can link your click here. Now you see this click here. I can add a link to it. Now if you tap on it like this and you tap on these three dotted lines, can you see link? If you tap on link, it will tell you you should add the link you want to put. Now let me go and copy, I don't know, my account. Let me go and copy my TikTok account. My TikTok link right now. I've copied it. So I'll go back to where we're working on. So I'm going to be pasting my TikTok link right here. Can you see? So after you've done that, you see, you can see that it's already underlined. So what this means is the link is already there. So if you have like a folder where you have some other works you've done, you can add it here. So anytime anybody comes here, you will just click. Once they click on this particular text, it's going to take them to the this thing. Okay, so in this next section, this is where you are going to be writing what you do, what you can bring to the table. It's just majorly text, just trying to convince them that I help creators, coaches, and brands bring their stories to life through engaging and polished video edits. I'm talking as a video editor right now, right? So you can just write maybe this section, what I do. Then you put it there. Oh, I can bring visibility to your brand. I can help you promote your product. This. You get, so you put it. Then you can now add maybe one picture to it. So you can add a picture. Then the last point is you say let me delete all these ones. Let me delete all these ones. Now you can see client testimonial. So if you are the type that you work with clients or you have reviews that people they've given you reviews, so you can put them here. You can even put screenshots. So the way you put the screenshots is you will upload it. You can upload like pictures too. I've shown you the other time. See uploads. Click on this, then you upload it. You can put it here. If it's in Word, so you can add it here. So this one is very important. So you can decide to add it in your portfolio too. So the next one, the last and final part is this one, which is reach out to me. You can still leave these ones and just put your own information there. So reach out if you want to work with me. You can put it in your own words too, like let's work together, let's collaborate together, let's bring your passion to life. So something like that. So now this is your social media handle. What I just taught you about linking your like adding links to text. So now for this Facebook now, you see this icon. If you pick a template that has this icon is good, but you can still add it yourself. So I'm going to be showing you. So once you tap on it, you go like this, then you see link, then you copy your social media platform link, then you put it there. So it will be linked. So anytime anybody checks it and they want to go to your social media, they are going to see it there. This is Instagram too. You do the same thing. Okay, you tap on Instagram too, you add the link. That's just what you are going to be doing. Then you just put your own information. Don't forget to then email. You can put your email. If you want to put your phone number, you can put it. If you don't want to, you can just cancel them out. Now let's say you pick a template that does not have like all the social media icon. This is how you can add your own. You go to elements. You see this element, and that's where you can see a lot of things. So you can search for, you see, I've even searched for this before, TikTok icon. Sorry, I didn't click on it very well. TikTok icon. Once you tap on it, some are actually pro, some are free. So this is where you can pick from. You can pick any icon from here. It's not loading because of my network. Let me just pick one for as an example. So can you see? You can just reduce the size, then put it anywhere you want to put it. Put it anywhere you want to put it. Can you see? So if you search that element side, you see a lot. You can see white color. You can put the color today. So that's how you do it. And then now this place is very important. After you've successfully like built everything, changed the color, added your info, see what we have now. Although this is not the best, I just use it as an example. So after you've done everything, if you click on this eye, this icon that looks like an eye, see, you will see how anybody that is checking your portfolio, how they are going to see it. Can you see? Can you see the way it looks? See, there are times that you should, when you are designing your portfolio, make sure you always check it. As you are designing, make sure you always check it if it's looking okay. There are times that your text might not be well aligned when you check it on phone like this, because some people they might use phone to check your website. You just try to adjust it, you go and adjust it, but I'm not going to do all that now. Now this is how you are going to get your link. Once you are done like this, right, you are going to go here as if you want to download your website. As if you want to download this download icon, you tap on it. Once you tap on it like that, you see publish website. Can you see publish website? So once you click on it, you are going to see this place. Now you can edit your address. You can change the name of it to your portfolio. So because the name, so I'm just going to write portfolio there because it's already carrying my name. That name is the name of my, what's it called? The name of my email. This is what is showing at first. modupefalade.mycanva.site. Then I can put portfolio there instead of having that long name. So you can publish. Just say publish. So now it says after that your website is now live. Your website is live. So you can copy your link. Anybody that you send this link to, they are going to see your website. So if you are reaching out to brands, you just attach the link and then they get to see you. So let's view our website. This is how outsiders, like people that you send the link to, this is how they are going to see it. Let's see how it looks like. Let's see how it looks like. Can you see? This is actually not well aligned. Can you see? Make sure when you are doing your own, you do it perfectly. Okay. So about me, I told you about this one that you put your own content. So this is how your website is going to look like. Can you see? Some of my videos are already showing, so they can see what you can do. They can see what you can do. Can you see that? Want to see? Let me tell you about that. The link I added the other time. You know, I added my TikTok link. So now let's click here. You see, it will take me to my TikTok. And that's it, guys. That's how to build a professional portfolio website using Canva. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Subscribe, join the family. All right.